So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here this one question to answer on the topic foreign policies. So guys, this video will be about relation with major powers. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and check out the question here. It says, the activities of Nigeria in the international community are primarily influenced by A. Propaganda, B. National interest, C. Diploma, D. Military power. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. That's national interest. So that's it for this question, and this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.